Imagine a world where robots walk among us, not just as machines, but as human-like assistants, caregivers, and even friends. The latest wave of humanoid robots is set to revolutionize industries, from healthcare to space exploration. These machines are smarter, more lifelike, and more capable than ever before. Stick around as we unveil the most advanced humanoid robots that are about to change the world. From science fiction to reality, humanoid robots have come a long way. In just a few years, we've witnessed robots that can walk, talk, and even express emotions. But the newest generation, they're beyond anything we've seen before. These cutting-edge humanoids are designed to integrate seamlessly into our lives, improving efficiency, safety, and even human interaction. Today, we're counting down the most revolutionary humanoid robots of this winter that are shaping the future. Ameca, the most expressive AI robot. Meet Ameca, the world's most lifelike humanoid robot. Developed by Engineered Arts, Ameca is designed to mimic human expressions and emotions like no other robot before. Equipped with advanced AI, it can hold conversations, respond with facial expressions, and even detect emotions in human speech. What makes Ameca truly special is its ultra-realistic movements. Unlike traditional robots with stiff gestures, Ameca can blink, smile, and frown just like a human. Its creators believe it will be a game-changer in human-robot interaction, making it ideal for customer service, research, and even social companionship. Tesla Optimus, the future of automation. Elon Musk's ambitious robot, Tesla Optimus, is designed to take over repetitive and dangerous tasks. This sleek, humanoid bot can walk, lift objects, and perform basic household chores. Tesla envisions Optimus replacing human labor in warehouses, factories, and even homes. With Tesla's advanced AI technology and real-time data processing, Optimus is expected to learn from its environment and improve over time. It's lightweight, energy efficient, and powered by the same neural network that drives Tesla's self-driving cars. The goal? To have a general-purpose robot that can assist humans in everyday life. Atlas, the ultimate robot athlete. Boston Dynamics' Atlas is perhaps the most advanced humanoid robot in terms of movement. Unlike traditional robots, Atlas is built to navigate complex environments with ease. Whether it's running, jumping, or even doing backflips, Atlas moves with incredible speed and precision. But it's not just about acrobatics. Atlas is designed for search and rescue operations, where it can assist in disaster-stricken areas. With its AI-driven decision-making, it can assess its surroundings, adapt to obstacles, and carry out missions that would be too dangerous for humans. Nadine, the emotional companion robot. What if a robot could understand your emotions and respond accordingly? Meet Nadine, a social humanoid robot designed to be an emotional companion. With AI-powered facial recognition and speech analysis, Nadine can engage in meaningful conversations, recognize people, and remember past interactions. Developed for elderly care and companionship, Nadine is already being tested in healthcare settings. It can provide comfort to patients, assist caregivers, and even reduce loneliness among seniors. As AI continues to evolve, robots like Nadine could become essential members of society. Apollo, the first humanoid for everyday tasks. Developed by Aptronic, Apollo is built to take over tasks that humans no longer want to do. Whether it's lifting boxes, assisting in deliveries, or helping with maintenance work, Apollo is designed to function in a wide range of environments. Unlike many robots that are still in prototype stages, Apollo is already being tested in workplaces. With its full body mobility and ability to interact with humans naturally, it could soon be a regular part of industries that rely on labor-intensive tasks. Cyber One, Xiaomi's AI-powered humanoid. Xiaomi isn't just about smartphones. They've introduced Cyber One, a humanoid robot designed for personal and industrial use. This AI-driven robot can recognize emotions, navigate environments, and even respond to touch and voice commands. Cyberone is built with a sophisticated AI model that allows it to learn and adapt. Xiaomi envisions it playing roles in customer service, smart homes, and even education. The future of AI-powered assistants is closer than we think. Beyond Me 1.0, the AI-powered remote worker. What if you could control a robot from anywhere in the world? That's exactly what Beyond Me 1.0 offers. Developed by Beyond Imagination, this AI-powered humanoid robot is designed for telepresence, allowing human operators to control it remotely for various tasks. Beyond Me 1.0 is already making waves in healthcare, where it assists doctors in performing remote diagnoses and even surgeries. It's also being tested in warehouses and agricultural sectors, where skilled operators can remotely perform tasks without physically being on-site. With its AI-driven learning capabilities, Beyond Me is set to revolutionize remote work across multiple industries. Robothespian, the ultimate entertainment robot. Meet Robothespian, the world's first full-sized humanoid robot built for entertainment, education, and public interaction. Unlike other robots designed for industrial or labor-intensive work, Robothespian focuses on human interaction. It can perform speeches, sing, and even act out theatrical performances. This robot has been used in museums, theme parks, and even corporate events, where it delivers interactive experiences. It can be programmed to speak multiple languages and even mimic human gestures with stunning accuracy. As AI and robotics continue to evolve, Robothespian could become a staple in entertainment and education worldwide. Sophia, the world's most famous AI robot. You might already know her, Sophia, the most famous humanoid robot in the world. Created by Hanson Robotics, Sophia has made headlines for her lifelike expressions, intelligent conversations, and even becoming the first robot to be granted citizenship in Saudi Arabia. Sophia is equipped with advanced AI, speech recognition, and facial expression mapping, allowing her to interact with people in a way that feels almost human. She has spoken at global conferences, been interviewed on talk shows, and even participated in discussions about the future of AI and ethics. With continuous improvements, Sophia could soon become a vital part of industries like customer service, healthcare, and education. The future is here. These humanoid robots are no longer just science fiction. They're real, evolving, and ready to integrate into our daily lives. Whether it's helping with labor, providing companionship, or assisting in emergencies, robots are reshaping the world as we know it. So, which of these humanoid robots impressed you the most? Do you think we'll see them in our homes and workplaces soon? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more futuristic tech updates, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload.